In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vault on your 1Password account. You want to log into your 1Password admin console, and from the homepage you can scroll on and you will be able to create vault from here. So click on the new vault as you can see on the right hand side here, and you can give your vault a name. I'm going to just call this one new vault, for example, and we're going to leave the description as is. You can name it whatever you want and click on create, and that's how easy it is really to create vaults. So once you create vaults, you can always go ahead and add people, give people access to those vaults. You can share the vaults, you can view the vaults, you can add things within the vaults, you can import within the vaults, and of course you can delete the vault from here. I'm going to show you how you can quickly add in the vault. So if you click on view vault right here, it's going to show you the vault itself, and you can add items inside of it. Items can be password, credit card, documents, whatever it is. As you can see right here, you can add these things within the vault, right? So you can choose whatever you want and add it in. And if you're on, for example, the 1Password extension, you can go ahead and you can start by clicking on add in the upper right, and you can say, okay, I want to look add a credentials. It's going to open up in a new window, and then from there you can start filling in those credentials. So let's say I'm going to add a login. I'm going to call this one login PW, for example. All right, for password, I'm going to just make something up, and a password, I'm going to just make something up. And for the website, I'm going to just make something up.com, for example. And here at the bottom, you can see right here that you can choose the vault. So if you click where it says private, you can switch this from private to the new vault that you create, and then you can click and save, and that's how you can add things within the vault that you create. And that's it.